Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on PC. The most simplest way to be updated on Roblox to uninstall this Roblox player app from your PC. For this you just need to go add or remove programs here and search for Roblox. Click on Roblox player for user and uninstall it. Then after uninstalling, you need to go to roblox.com and click on a game that you like, and any of game, then click on play button, and then you can find it will be loading for some time, and you will find a button appeared that download and install Roblox. Click on it, and here you will find a file. A set of file has downloaded through your browser, and you need to click on this file, and you need to set up the installation process for Roblox. It's so simple and pretty easy. You will also find the instruction from the Roblox official website too. Then after successful installation, you will get the most updated Roblox app in your PC. Just click on the setup file and the installation process will begin. As you can see here, I'm just installing the latest Roblox app that provided by Roblox official website, and it will take some time. After completing installation, it will prompt it starting Roblox, and then you can see you can access your Roblox account through the Roblox application on PC. It's pretty simple. And another way is go to date and time on your PC. Date and time settings. Enable both of these, set time automatically and set time zone automatically, and sense your time according to your time zone. Make sure your time is correct, because sometimes time will affect the validation of your application on your PC. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Till next time.